Welcome back. Time now for some 814 Your Home, and for that we have our handyman Dwight Rittenhouse here with us.
Hey, how you doing?
Good to see you. You don't want any of that?
No, thank you.
No? We're trying to offer to our guests.
I understand you're trying to get rid of it.
Yeah,
that's what you're doing.
That's true. Well, Dwight, we have a popular item here on the show, our Fujitsu.
We got a Fujitsu outside unit. There's many other heat pumps made too. You know,
yes.
Many companies make heat pumps, and what we're going to talk about today is in the winter months, these operate by the fan running, pulling air through the unit, and if you pull air through the unit 5 minutes ago, you'd have been pulling snow through the unit.
Yeah,
so when this unit goes into a defrost mode, that the fan in the front down here goes around, it stops. So it has 3 blades on it.
Okay.
And the clearance between the blades and this metal housing is very, very small. So when the blade stops, if it's in a down position and you got a lot of moisture hitting that, like rain or snow, and it kind of slides down the blade, a lot of times it can freeze fast in the 7 minutes that this thing is defrosting.
Yeah.
Okay. So then when it goes to restart, the fan can't go around, so it kicks out on reset. So guess what? You don't have no more heat.
Yeah, you have a big problem if you get that moisture in there.
The other thing is that a lot of times these have to be installed where they're needed, and it might be on the eave side of your house. So you might have a steel roof, you might have whatever kind of roof, but if the water drips down there, a lot of times the water drips on top of them, it forms a big ice cube over them, and then they don't work properly. So,
and you don't want that. You want to have heat in this cold.
So what we've done is we started with, we'll show you this one first.
Okay.
This is the roof that we made for over top of the heat pump, which is pretty simple. Anybody can install them. You put them on and they kind of friction fit down over.
Okay.
They're drilled. They fit many different size heat pumps. You can expand them to be larger for the bigger heat pumps or smaller. So this roof is really tough. You can actually sit on top of this roof and not hurt it.
Well, some of us maybe.
Yeah, some of us.
I don't know. You don't think you want a big old butt print on there.
Anyway, what happens is this projects out over top of here. So if you got a big ice cube sticking down and it decides to fall off your roof, instead of piercing a hole in the top of your heat pump, maybe burning the circuit board out, which is right underneath the top cover, it can dissipate and go both directions.
Yeah.
Snow on it keeps it clean and keeps that heat pump so it's in a working condition. It's not 100% dry. It's not like building a patio roof over top of it.
Exactly.
But we've had some real issues with the snow and the ice falling down off of a roof and hitting the top of this. And there's a circuit board right in here, and that circuit board, the metal will get pushed down and it blows the board out. And some of these circuit boards are $200 or $300. You know.
That's what I was going to ask. What's the cost to get something like that replaced or fixed?
Quite expensive.
Quite expensive.
Anyway, so now we've made another one. We have a company that we build these for, actually in England. We ship these to England. Same roof, except here we're powder coating the roof.
Okay.
You know, it adds a little bit more expense. It adds a little bit more beauty to the product too. So they're available in many different ways.
Well, folks, if you need one of these for your heat pump, or heck, anything you really need when it comes to things for your house and for your home, you can check out Mountain Union Supply. How can they contact you?
Well, you can give us a call at 814-542-2981. You can find us on the web at muls.net, or you can come visit us at 114 West Poplar Street, Mount Union, Pennsylvania.
And you'll see Dwight's smiling face ready to help you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dwight.